with arrays and collections. So as of now, we don't know arrays and collections, so we have not discussed about for each loop. Then after we discussed about transfer or branching statements. Transfer or branching statements we have discussed. In this we have keywords like break keyword is available, and we have a keyword called continue keyword available, and there is another keyword called return keyword for used for returning some value, use it to return some value from the method. So when we are working with methods, then we are going to understand what is the purpose of return. Loops and transfer statements we have discussed. So with this we are done with conditional statements. As part of conditional statements, we discussed about simple if else, and if else ladder, and we discussed about switch case also. Simple if else ladder, switch case, these are used for executing conditional statements. Conditional statements are used to execute the code only once. Based on condition. Execute the code only once based on the condition. For that we will go for conditional statements. Loops, execute the code repeatedly based on condition or range. So here, if you want to execute the same piece of code multiple times, then you can go for loop concept. While loop, do while loop, for each loop is available. While loop, do while loop are called as conditional based loop. For loop is called as range based loop. Right. Loops are used to execute the code repeatedly based on condition or range. Transfer or branching statements. So to come out from loop, to skip loop iteration, to come out from method, break is used to come out from the loop or switch case. Continue is used to skip the loop iteration, current iteration, only one iteration it will skip based on the condition. And return, it is used to return some value from the method. For this we are going for transfer or branching statements. So with this we are done with operators and control statements. Coming to operators, to perform some operation, we are going to use operators. So here we have arithmetic operators, relational operators, arithmetic operators available, relational operators available, and we have relational operators available, and we have logical operators available, and we have ternary operator, we have assignment operator, and new operator, dot operator. So with this we are done with operators and control statements. So what is our chapter 2? Our chapter 2 is all about operators and control statements. Operators and control statements is our chapter 2. So successfully we completed 2 chapters in our core Java. First one is very basic part, variables, data types we covered. Here we covered operators and control statements. What is operator? Operator is a symbol which is used to perform some operation. Here operators are divided into several types. Arithmetic operators available, relational operators available, logical operators available, ternary operator available. Ternary operator is also called as conditional operator, assignment operator, new operator, dot operator. Conditional statements execute the code only once based on the condition. Simple if else, if ladder, switch case is available. Loops concept. Loops are used to execute the code repeatedly based on the condition. While loop available, do while loop available, for loop available, for each loop available. Branching statements. So to come out from the method, to come out from the loop, or to skip the loop, we are using branching statements. Are you guys clear with chapter 2? Are you guys clear with this chapter 2? Are you comfortable? Yes or no? Good. Now, so here, 2 days back, I have given one assignment. Write a Java program to read shoes brand name from keyboard. Based on the brand name, print brand slogan like below. Here, if I give the brand name as a Nike, then it should print just to do it. If I print the brand name as Adidas, it should print the slogan. It should print that slogan. For Puma, it should print this slogan. For Reebok, it should print this slogan. So some people are able to do the assignment and some people are not able to do the assignment. So today I will talk about how to implement those assignment programs which I have given. So yesterday, day before yesterday, I have given 3 assignments. One is for shoes program, another one is PF program, and another one is marriage eligibility program. 3 programs I have given. And today I have given another 4 programs. One is used to print a pyramid pattern. Another one is used to print a right triangle star pattern. Another one is used to print a left triangle star pattern. Another program is used to print a descending order pattern. Are you guys able to do this assignment? Are you guys able to do this assignment? Now let me explain these assignment programs now. So first let's talk about shoes program. What is the shoes program? Write a Java program to read shoe brand name from keyboard. Based on the brand name, print a brand slogan like below. So brand name we need to read from the keyboard. Based on the brand name, we need to print the brand slogan. Let us take a class shoes. Class shoes. I'm taking the class name as a shoes. Inside this, I'm taking a method public static void main string arguments. String arguments. Now, shoe brand name should come from the keyboard. How to read the data from the keyboard? We already discussed about that. Input stream reader ISR is equal to new input stream reader. Input stream reader ISR is equal to new input stream reader. I'm going to connect this with the keyboard input system.in. Now system.in input stream reader, we need to import java.io.star package. Input stream reader is a predefined class available in the IO package, so I'm importing that class. Next one, we need to connect this input stream reader with the buffer reader. Buffer reader BR is equal to new buffered reader of input stream reader. Input stream reader object I am connecting to buffered reader. In the buffered reader, we can read the shoe brand name. Enter brand name. So let me write one SOP statement. System.out.println. I am writing enter brand name. Just a message for the user to enter the brand name. So how user will enter the brand name in the keyboard? As a text. I want to read it. There is a method called br.readLine. Directly we will get that string value. String brand value I am getting. Input stream reader ISR is equal to new input stream reader of system.in. User will enter the data. That data I am reading by using readLine method. That whatever the data user is entered, that data is stored into brand variable. The data is stored into brand variable. Now here we need to write a switch case, brand we need to pass. As I discussed in the session, string also can be supplied as the input for the switch case from Java 1.7. Whatever the brand name we are getting from the keyboard, that brand name I am passing to switch case. So what are the brands we have? Nike we have, Puma we have, Nike we have, Adidas we have, Puma we have, Reebok we have. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 brands are available, so 4 cases I need to write. So what should be my case name? First case I will specify. If case is Nike, then let's print system.out.println Nike brand, just to do it. If the case is matching with Nike, I need to print that message as just to do it. After Nike printing is completed, I need to come out from the switch case. For that I am giving break. So similarly, if case is not Nike, I am checking with case is Adidas. If case is Adidas, then I need to write system.out.println Adidas brand name. Impossible is nothing. Okay, so here case, here whatever, you no need to convert into integer, guys. When you are dealing with numbers, that number should be converted to integer by using integer.parseInt. But here brand name is a group of characters, it is a string value, so you no need to do any conversion. Whatever the string value you are getting from the keyboard, that string value directly you can pass in the switch case. Case should match with that string. If a case is Nike, that means if the brand that you enter in the keyboard is Nike, then first case will match, then it will print just to do it, then break, come out from the switch case. If a case is not Nike, it will check case is Adidas. If a case is Adidas, it will print impossible is nothing, then come out from that switch case. For that we are using break. Similarly, case, if it is Puma, then I need to execute some statement, system.out.println Puma slogan. So what is the slogan given for Puma? Forever faster. Forever faster. After Puma is printed, I need to break this statement. Okay, then I will go for case Reebok. Reebok. If the case matching with Reebok, I need to print I am what I am. System.out.println I am what I am. Then do the break. Then do the break. Whatever the brand name user is entered, it is not Nike, it is not Adidas, it is not Puma, it is not Reebok. Then we need to write default statement. What is that? System.out.println no brand found. No brand found, no slogan found, something like this. Brand not found. Brand not found. So this is the program to write this logic. This is the logic of our program. This is the logic of our program. This is the logic of our program. Okay. See here. Input stream reader ISR is equal to new input stream reader. Input stream reader I am connecting to buffered reader. So from the buffered reader, for the buffer reader we are passing input stream reader. Then br.readline, enter brand name. We are getting the brand name. Brand name we are getting and directly keeping in the string variable. Variable data type is a string. You no need to convert that to the integer because we need to check the brand name string only. So as it is, that string I am passing to switch case, switch brand. If a brand is Nike, then case is Nike. Whatever the value I am passing to the switch, same type case I am writing. Brand is a string, so my case is also string. If a case is Nike, it will print just to do it, then it will break. That means you will come out from the switch case. If the brand name is Adidas, it will print impossible is nothing, then we will come out from that. If a brand name is Puma, then it will print forever faster, then we will come out from the switch case. If the brand name is Reebok, it will print I am what I am, then it will come out from that break. If brand is not matching to any of these names, then it will go to default, it will print brand not found. So this is the logic of our program. Are you guys able to understand this logic now? Are you guys able to understand this logic? This break you can keep in the same line also, no problem. This break you can keep in the same line also, no problem. To reduce the number of lines, I'm keeping the break in the same line. It will break after that statement is executed. It will break the execution after that statement is executed. Case Nike, case Adidas, case Puma, case Reebok, and it is default. So switch case is taking brand, that is a string. That is a string. Are you clear? Now save this program. Let us save this program. So the program name is shoes.java. Go to command prompt. Go to command prompt. Run our program. CMD. So the class name is shoes. Java C. Shoes.java. It is failing because exception is coming. So we need to throw the exception. From the main method, we are writing throws exception. Throws exception. Java C. Shoes.java. Compiled. Java space shoes. It is asking brand name. Let me give the brand name as Puma, forever faster. Run the program. I'm giving the brand name as Nike. Just do it. Swoosh. I'm giving the brand name as Snum Snipper. Okay? Brand not found. Are you guys getting my point? Is our program executing as expected? If it is a Puma, it should print it as forever faster. Okay? When I give the brand name as Nike, it is printing as just do it. When I enter the brand name as a snipper, the brand is not found. Look at this logic now. Look at this logic now. Anybody not able to understand this logic? Anybody not able to understand this logic? Ashish, why you need while loop here? If the brand name is matching, slogan is one-time execution, right? I want loop here in the string. Complete line it is going to read, it will store into brand variable. That brand variable I am passing to the switch. It will check case brand is Nike. If the brand you have given as Nike, then first statement will execute, then it will break means come out from the switch case. Come out from the switch case. Okay. I explained what they're used to read the data from the keyboard. Write a Java program to read. Company will decide your events will be available. One PF account will be created. You can transfer for every employee. Employees they will account. So every company will give you one. The UAN will be linked to all the PF accounts. Okay. So at the end of the course, I will tell you what is that PF and how the PF will be available, how the tax calculations will be available in the IT company. All the stuff we are going to discuss in the future classes. So here, simple program you need to write. Read the person basic salary and calculate PF amount from the basic salary. What is the formula to calculate the PF? So how much basic salary you are getting? In that basic salary, 12% will be available. 12% will be available as a PF amount. Anybody written the program for that? Java program to read the basic salary and calculate PF of that basic salary. Can you send the program, guys? Can you write the program? Write a Java program to read person basic salary and calculate provident fund. Come on, guys. Program for the class, we need to calculate employee PF. We need to calculate employee PF. Class employee PF. Here I'm writing a method public static void main string arguments. String arguments. We need to read the basic salary from the keyboard. To read the basic salary from the keyboard, we are using input stream reader. ISR is equal to new input stream reader of system.in. New input stream reader of system.in. Now here we are going to keep import java.io.star. Input stream reader class is available in IO package. Now whatever the exception we are getting, throws exception. We are throwing that exception. Then we are going to use buffered reader. Buffered reader BR is equal to new buffered reader. Buffered reader BR is equal to new buffered reader. In that we are passing input stream reader. Input stream reader. We need to read the basic salary. Okay. To read that basic salary, first I am telling to enter the basic salary. System.out.println. Enter basic salary. Enter basic salary. To read that basic salary, we are using br.readline. We are using br.readline. So the data we are getting in the string format. Buffered reader we are using, so everything it will read as a string. br.readline. br.readline. Enter basic salary. We are reading the data as a string. In order to convert that, in order to calculate the PF, we need to apply a formula. 12% basic salary. Okay. Basic salary multiplied by 12 divided by 100. What is the formula we need to use? What is the formula to calculate the percentage, guys? Basic salary multiplied by 12 divided by 100. That is the PF amount we need to get. In order to do that calculation, here we are getting the basic salary in the string format. I want to convert the basic salary into double format. Can you tell me how to convert the string to double? Can you guys tell me how to convert the string value to the double value? What is the code I need to write to convert the string value to double value? What is the code I need to write to convert the string value to double value? Come on, guys. Any idea? Yes. To convert the integer, to convert the string value to integer value, we have written the code like this, right? We are getting string str is equal to br.readline. String str is equal to br.readline. Then we are writing integer dot parse int of str. Okay, it is giving int value. To convert string value to int value, we are using integer. Similarly, to convert that string value to double value, we need to go for double dot parse double. What is the method we have? Double dot parse double. Now we will take double basic salary. Double basic salary is equal to double dot parse double. So this is the code we need to write to convert the string value to double value. When we are converting string to integer, we are using integer dot parseInt. Integer is one class. In that class, parseInt is one method. Similarly, to convert the string value to double value, there is a predefined class called double. Double dot parse double of string. Which string you want to convert to the double? Pass the string value, then it will convert into double value. So this is the line of code we need to write. So str is equal to br dot readline. We got the string data. Convert the string data to double data. For that we are using double dot parse double of str. Double dot parse double of str, which will give double basic salary. Double basic salary is equal to double dot parse double. I got the basic salary. I want to calculate the PF. Double PF is equal to basic salary multiplied by 12 divided by 100. So this is the formula. Basic salary multiplied by 12 divided by 100. So can I say this is used to calculate the PF? Can I say this is the formula to calculate the PF? 12% of the basic salary is the PF amount. So how to calculate the 12%? Basic salary multiplied by 12 divided by 100. Multiplied by 12 divided by 100. Are you guys able to understand my point? Are you guys able to understand? Any questions, anybody? Anybody having any questions? Not in the double format also no problem. If you enter just 5000 also no issue. That will be stored into the double value. So int value if you enter also, int is having 4 bytes, double is having 8 bytes. Int value can be stored into double variable, no problem. It will take care of that. Now system.out.println of PF. System.out.println of PF. Are you guys clear with this program? Now what is the program class name? EMP PF is the class name. EMP PF, that means employee PF. Employee PF dot Java. I saved it. Go to command prompt, run this program. Java C EMP PF dot Java, Java space EMP PF. Enter basic salary. I'm entering basic salary as 5000. If you want to enter decimal or if you don't enter decimal, no problem. So what is the PF amount I am getting? What is the PF amount I am getting? 600. If your basic salary is 5000, the PF you will get the 600. Are you able to understand? Are you guys able to understand? What is the 12% of 5600? Suppose if your basic salary is 18,000, normal salary is different, basic salary is different, guys. If basic salary is 18,000, then 2,100 will be your PF amount. 2,100, 2,160 will be your PF amount. If you are having basic salary as 18,000, then 2,160 rupees will be added to your PF account from your salary. You will not get this salary every month. This salary will be added to your PF account. Once you leave that company, then you can take that PF amount. So see the calculation. I'm reading the basic salary from the keyboard by using buffered reader. Whenever you read some data from the keyboard using buffered reader, that data you are getting as a string value. Now that string value I am converting to double value. To convert the string value to the double value, we are using double dot parse double method. Double is a predefined class in the Java. In that class, parse double is the method. Whatever the text you enter in the keyboard, that value will be represented in the double value. Double PF is equal to basic salary multiplied by 12 divided by 100. So how much basic salary you have? In that 12% of amount, 12% will be your PF. I have given that formula. What is the formula? Provident fund is 12% of basic salary. So how to calculate 12% of your basic salary? With this formula, you can get the PF amount. That PF amount I am printing on the console. For example, if your employee having 24,000 as a basic salary, then his PF will be 2,880 rupees. 2,880 rupees will be that employee provident fund amount. Are you able to understand this logic, guys? Are you able to understand this logic now? Just it is percentage calculation. It is just a percentage calculation. That's it. This program is percentage calculation. Clear na? Yes. What is the next program? Write a Java program to read person age and person salary and print his eligibility for the marriage. How many values we need to read? We need to read the person age and we need to read the person salary. If a person age is less than 30 and salary greater than 1 lakh, then only that person is eligible for marriage. Yes or no? Right. So let us try to write the logic for that program. Marriage class. Okay. Marriage class. Class marriage. Then let us write a method. Public static void main string arguments. So generally, if you go for arranged marriage, then this kind of conditions will be available. What is your age? How much salary you are getting? When you will go to foreign? In which company you are working? This kind of questions. Anybody having that experience? No, I think still you are just completed your BTech or MCA. So in future, you will face this problem. Okay. So generally, when you go for arranged marriages, this kind of situations you will encounter. So your parents will tell, so tomorrow we need to go to that house. So we need to see the girl for your marriage. When you go to that house, when you see her, then she will start, or her parents will start asking the questions. In which company you are working? How much salary you are getting? Do you have any loans? Do you have any EMIs? Is your company providing on-site opportunity or not? When you will purchase a house? When you will purchase a car? How much bank balance you have? First they will check all these things. Then only they will fix your marriage. So that became mandatory in the India basically. That became mandatory in the India. Even when I have been to see, now currently I'm married. When I have been to see that girl, those people also ask the same questions. In which company you are working? How many years experience you have? How much bank balance you have? It's safety, right? Her parents will think about safety. Her parents will think about safety. Yes or no? It depends. Now, simple. If we have a sister, if somebody came to see our sister for a marriage, we will also check the details, right? Where that person is working, and we will do background check also. Really, that person is working in the company or not? We will check his payslip, how much salary he is getting, how many loans he is having. That basically that trend is going on currently. Boys, you need to be very careful. You need to be very careful. Got it? It's common. Everybody will ask, what is your salary, where you are working, how much bank balance you have, because her parents will think about her security. अगर आपके पास job नहीं है तो, if you have very less salary, then how you will take care of your family? Safety purpose they will check it. Boys should be very careful. Okay, guys. Now, so all of you written the program. Don't get scared. Definitely आपको बहुत अच्छे से जॉब मिलेगा, ज्यादा पैकेज भी मिलेगा. डरना मत भाई. Don't get into that serious now. So you have a lot of time for that. ठीक है? चलो. Yeah. Anybody has written that program? Anybody has written that program? Come on. Yes. So can I write that program now? Can I write that program? Yes. So what is the program? Write a Java program to read person age and person salary and print his eligibility for the marriage. Okay. First, input stream reader ISR is equal to new input stream reader, then system dot in, then take it buffered reader BR is equal to new buffered reader SISR BR dot read line. How many times I need to read the data now? How many times I need to read the data? String str1. I need to read the data 2 times, guys. One is for person salary, another one is for person age. I need person age and I need person salary. So my program should read the data from the keyboard in 2 times, in 2 formats, right? So here first I will write it system dot out dot println enter age. Enter your age. Enter your age. So first I am reading br dot read line. Then the next one system dot out dot println enter your salary. Enter your salary. Then I am writing br dot read line. Br dot read line. Here I am storing that string str2 is equal to br dot read line. So I am reading that data from keyboard 2 times. First time I am reading for age. Second time I am reading for salary. Now age I got in the string format. Salary also I got in the string format. Now we need to convert. First string into integer, that is age. How to convert? Integer dot parseInt of str1. Then here int age. So first time when I am reading br.readline, I will get str1. That str1 I converted to integer by using integer.parseInt. Second time I am reading salary. Now I am converting that str2 into double. Double salary is equal to double dot parse double str2. str1 I am considering as a age. I am converting that into integer. str2 I am considering as a salary. I am converting into double. Are you able to understand this program? Are you able to understand this program? My requirement is like that. Write a Java program to read person age and person salary and print his eligibility for the marriage. Write a Java program to read person age and person salary and print his eligibility for the marriage. Age is required, salary is required. So I need to read the data 2 times. So system.out.println enter age. First value that you enter, I'm storing into str1 variable. str1 variable is representing age data. So age I am converting into value. You can convert into byte value also, no problem. Integer dot parseInt of str1, that will be stored into int age. Then enter your salary. br dot readline str2 we are getting. That str2 we are converting into double value. We are storing into salary variable. Now I have age data. Now I have salary data. Now I need to check the condition. So here for marriage eligibility, do we have one condition or we have 2 conditions, guys? If a person age less than 30, salary greater than 1 lakh, then only eligible for marriage. So I need to check one condition or I need to check 2 conditions here. Guys, I need to check one condition. I need to check 2 conditions. I need to check 2 conditions. I need to check only one condition. I need to check 2 conditions. 2 conditions should satisfy or only one condition should satisfy for eligibility. If 2 conditions are satisfied, then only that person is eligible. Otherwise, he is not eligible. Do I need to write this input stream reader, buffer reader 2 times or only 1 time it is sufficient? br.readline I am calling 2 times. That's it. You no need to write these 2 lines of code every time. Okay, so buffer reader I am writing only 1 time. Method I am calling 2 times. br.readline, br.readline. Okay. Now, if age less than 30, if age less than 30 and salary greater than 1 lakh. 1 lakh means 5 zeros. If salary greater than 1 lakh, then if else. So 2 conditions I need to check. If a condition satisfy, how many times I need to print that you are eligible for marriage? बार बार print करना और एक ही बार print करना? Only 1 time I need to print the statement, right? If I want to print the statement 1 time, should I go for conditional statement or I need to go for loop statement? Do I need to go for conditional statement or I need to go for looping statement? I need to go for only conditional statement. So can I do that by using if condition? Condition 1 and condition 2. If condition 1 is true and condition 2 is true, then only if will be true. If both conditions are satisfied, then only this statement will execute. System.out.println you are eligible for marriage. You are eligible for marriage. Now system.out.println you are not eligible for marriage. You are not eligible for marriage. Are you clear with my code? Easy to understand or difficult to understand? Is the code is easy or code is difficult? Just you need to understand the requirement properly. You need to understand the requirement properly. We need to read the data. What data we need to read? We need to check the person marriage eligibility. To check the marriage eligibility, we need to check 2 conditions. One is age condition, another one is salary condition. So we need age data and we need salary data. Age data we are reading from the keyboard. Salary data we are reading from the keyboard. If age less than 30 and salary greater than 1 lakh, then statement will be executed. Else, if this condition or if these 2 if any one condition is failed, then it will go to else block. Both the conditions should satisfy because that is the marriage requirement. That is the marriage requirement. Then throw the exception. Then throw the exception. Throws exception. What is the class name? Class name I have given as a marriage. Save this program. Marriage.java. Marriage.java. Okay guys. Else go to Kasia. Somebody saying that sir else may Please write go to Kasi. नहीं है भाई. You can increase your salary. अच्छे से Java full stack course सीखा ना. ठीक है. I mean you just learn the Java full stack. Definitely you will get 1 lakh salary per month. हो जाएगा आपका शादी. टेंशन मत लेना. विश्वजीत. टेंशन मत लेना भाई. 6 महीने अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस करो. आपको मिल जाएगा. गुड सैलरी मिल जाएगा. टेंशन मत लेना भाई. कितना है आपका एज? How old are you? Vishwajit, how old are you, buddy? How old are you, Vishwajit?
Sir, 29.
29. और 1 साल है भाई आपको. Time है. You have 1 more year time. Good. Perfect, guys. Perfect. So here we are reading the age. First time we are reading the age, and age we are converting into integer. We are reading the salary. Salary we are converting to the double. So age less than 30, salary greater than 1 lakh, then you are eligible for marriage. Else you are not eligible for marriage. Save this program. Now check it. Check it. Java C marriage.java. Oh my god, so many errors. So many errors. What is that? Cannot find symbol. Input stream reader, buffer reader. Matlab, import is not there. What is the problem? Import statement is not there. Import statement is not there. Okay. Import. Java.io.star. Import. Okay guys, fine. Java C space marriage.java compiled. Java space marriage. Java space marriage. Enter your age. Age 25. Enter your salary 45,000. What is the output? Age I am giving 25. Less than 30 only. Salary I am giving 45,000. So here, if statement is executing, else statement is executing. If statement is executed, or my else statement is executed. Come on guys. Age condition satisfied. Age is 25. 25 less than 30. First condition satisfied. What about second condition? Salary should be greater than 1 lakh. But how much salary is having? 45,000. So in the if, first condition satisfied, but the second condition not satisfied. So if is failed, then else statement is executed. Can I run the program once again? Marriage. Enter your age. 28. Salary 1,42,000. Salary 1,42,000. You are eligible for marriage. Now age condition satisfied, salary condition also satisfied. So total, if is true, then this statement is executed. If a condition satisfied, my code should execute only one time. For that we will go for conditional statement. Conditional statement. Are you clear with this?